Hi friends, hello, welcome to Yogs Talk English. Thank you so much for supporting my videos. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you subscribe, you will get all these informations to you straight away, and tick the notification button. If you like my videos, please kindly share with some others, and don't forget to give me a like. I was reading some news article today. I just want to share some information for the students, what's happening in America. And the disclaimer is I'm not immigration consultant, I'm not attorney, or I'm not any immigration related expert. I'm just sharing my views and thoughts for educational purpose so that some people get idea what's going on at the moment. In India, a lot of parents are worried, and there is a news going viral that 50% of the Indian visas are Indian student visas, SEVIS are terminated. So I just want to make clarity on that particular thing. And another thing, there is a scam that I heard today in some news about the student SEVIS reinstate. So I'll cover these couple of topics in this video. Please stick to till the end so that you don't miss any important update. The first thing, actually, the total 1.1 million students around the world in United States. In that, 330,000, roughly 330,000 are Indian students. It's a rough figure. It's not an accurate figure. So out of that, as per the statistics which I read in some articles, that roughly 4,035 students got the SEVIS termination. An official figure saying that 1,050, and in that 1,050, I mean, even 50% of Indian students, actual official figures are 327 or something, but 1,035 is also an official figure. We don't exactly know which is the right official figure, that how many SEVIS are terminated. So this 50% means out of these 350, or even if you take it as 1,050, around 500 students. So this is not that 50% of 330,000. So that means the percentage is very less. Hardly 1%, 2% of the people are getting this. And the news is that these people are getting SEVIS terminated because of the parking fines. It's not as simple as that. If you get a parking ticket, your SEVIS or your visa cannot be revoked. There may be a chance you are not paid that ticket, which you don't know, that maybe they might put it on your dashboard, or you missed it, or there is a time limit for that 14 days that you have to pay. If you don't pay, then that will become 28 days. After that, they will send it to the court. So for any reason, unfortunately, if you miss that payment, or if you overlooked, or if you purposely ignored it, that will then obviously become a criminal offense, right? So you will have to go to court and pay the penalty, whatever the penalty is. Even some cases, if you ignore that, that may lead to arrest as well, jail terms as well, based on whatever the crime records. So if you better check you have anything like that, and if you have anything like that, you pay it off. Sometimes what happened, you move address to another address, so you don't update your address properly, you forget to update the address properly, so that your parking fine goes to some other house. Generally, the parking fines, they put it on a car, but if you miss it in any case, there may be a chance that you may miss it. So that then become, if you don't pay properly, that then become a criminal case. So for every reason, the SEVIS termination, there is a proper reason behind it. There are only few people are just getting this without having any criminal background history. They are fighting through the immigration lawyers. Obviously, they are getting relief because they don't have any criminal history. They are very clean. They are fine. They are getting relief. But these type of crimes, if you involved in the past in any criminal cases, and you have given your fingerprints to the police, those people, I mean, recently I've been hearing this for the past 1 week, they are getting more cases like this through the immigration lawyers. I was watching some news. Any criminal history that you have, obviously, take it as an example, drunk driving, or like, you are fighting with someone in the pub, or there may be domestic violence between the students when they are in a bachelor house. Any type of criminal record where the police has to involve. This is an important thing. or you switching lanes without indication, or you are speeding. Over speeding is also a serious criminal offense, because you may cause an accident on the road that can lead to somebody's death or some unfortunate incident. These are all things, or any other violations that you do on your university, that you are not attending the university. I mean, there is a rule that you have to attend number of classes every week. So if you violate that rule or any serious violations, you may get a chance of getting this. I mean, in the past, we don't know what happened, but now they are getting it. And also the percentage is very less, not that 330,000, 50%, 150,000, they are not getting it. So very less percentage this is happening. So don't worry, parents, that I mean, a lot of parents in India are worrying so much about that. These news are going viral that 50% of Indians getting the SEVIS terminations. That is not what happening. Very few people with the criminal record, they are getting it. That's what I heard from the news. I'm just sharing it. The next one about, I heard there is a scam that people are trying to, I don't know, they're trying to make a money or not. They are giving a suggestions to the students if their SEVIS is terminated, that you go to another university, get I-20 and apply for your reinstate your SEVIS. As to my knowledge, once your SEVIS is terminated, though you have another I-20 from another university, I don't think you can reinstate it back. You better check with your attorney or maybe any immigration consultant or expert or whoever it is, that if you get another I-20 from another university, you can reinstate your SEVIS, because SEVIS is a record, like your student, if you are a student or you are an OPT or any related to that other than H1B. So that is important status that you have, proving that you are a student. So if that status is terminated, means definitely you have some bad background history. So once you have a bad background history, how can you apply for a reinstation without another I-20 from another institute? Still your record is the same. So that is an important thing that I wanted to share. I mean, don't fall into the trap of people ideas. If any of you getting this SEVIS terminated, you please check with your nearest attorney or a lawyer or related, whoever the immigration expert, that you are in this situation, that if I go and get another I-20, can I get my SEVIS back? Or I have so and so, explain to them so and so, because you spend a lot of money in India, going to the university in America, you get the bank loans and you're working hard, you're studying hard, and if you get this kind of things, like you start spending money on these attorneys, they are going to charge hell a lot of fees. It is worth or not, think about it. But what I wanted to share is, don't get into the false trap news. People are, I mean, for anything, any bad news, there are a lot of people that they wanted to trap someone and make money. So just think before what you are doing. Just speak to the people and find out and tell them about your history, whether you can definitely get it or not. So that's very important. Okay friends, this is what I just want to share in this video. If there is anything, I will make another video. If you have any questions, please leave it in a comment. If I have any information on that, I'll update you. If you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.